Hello, it's Becky from BYD Crewe showing you this wonderful BYD Sealion 7. This vehicle is a full electric and comes equipped with an 82.5 kilowatt-hour battery, and this is a comfort edition. The LED headlights offer superb visibility in all driving conditions, and it also sits on these 19-inch bi-colour alloy wheels which look very smart. This Sealion offers up to 300 miles of range and can be rapidly charged from 10 to 80% in just as little as 32 minutes on a 150 kilowatt-hour DC. The boot opens very easily via the electric tailgate and offers a generous amount of storage space for large luggage items or any of your day-to-day needs. You can also close the boot very easily by pressing this button. Stepping into the back now, the seat is finished in this vegan leather upholstery and has a drop-down armrest with 2 cup holders, as well as having air vents and also heated seats in the back too. Checking out the front interior now, we have the continuation of the vegan leather with these very sporty seats. They also have adjustable electric controls. The multifunctional leather wrapped steering wheel has a lot of smart controls. You can adjust these such as roll volume, answering calls or lane assist. Here is your digital cockpit where you can view your speed, charge and trip information. You can also use the controls on the steering wheel to change these settings there. The screen has satellite navigation, so you can easily view this on the move to help you on those unfamiliar journeys. You also have access to 360-degree parking cameras. This will especially help you when trying to fit into tighter supermarket parking spaces. You can change the settings to view different viewpoints. This will really help you when trying to move your vehicle and checking that surroundings are clear. You also have connection to DAB radio for accessing preloaded radio channels, as well as being able to connect your phone to listen to your own playlist. The dual zone climate control system allows you to access different controls such as the ventilated and heated seats. You can access the front and the rear as well as the heated steering wheel. You can also change the settings on each side to suit you and your passenger, and the fan setting on the screen too. This is designed to be easy to use whilst on the road. Just below you have 2 wireless charging ports as well as your driver modes, which can be viewed on the digital cockpit. Here you can change these to suit your different driver modes to suit your preference. You have 2 cup holders too. Thank you for watching, and to book a test drive of this beautiful Sealion, please call our dealership today.